New potatoes with dill and onion are a taste of summer, delicate, fragrant with freshness, ideal as an addition to dinner, simple, delicious and traditional. Join me in making new potatoes with dill and onion. Ingredients for the potatoes: 500 grams new potatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, around 1 liter water. For the onions: 1 onion, around 120 grams, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon butter, half teaspoon sugar. To serve: 1 bunch of dill, around 25 grams, 1 tablespoon butter. Notes: the amount of water will depend on the saucepan size and the number of potatoes. Kitchen accessories: medium saucepan, frying pan, bowl, knife, chopping board, tablespoon, 2 teaspoons, spatula. Directions: preparing the potatoes, part 1. Put the hob on medium heat. Pour the water into a medium saucepan and bring to a boil. If the potatoes are big, cut in half. Smaller potatoes cook quicker. Put into a bowl and set aside. While waiting, prepare the onion and dill. Preparing the onion: peel the onion and chop finely. Put the hob on low heat. Melt the butter in a frying pan. Heat the oil in the frying pan. Add the chopped onion. Fry for around 10 minutes and stir from time to time. Add the sugar. Occasionally stir with a spatula. Fry until golden. This can take around 10 minutes. Set the fried onions aside. Preparing the dill: rinse the dill and remove all the tough central stems. Chopped finely. Leave on the chopping board and set aside. Preparing the potatoes, part 2. The water should already be boiling. Add the salt. When the water starts boiling again, add the potatoes. You can also put the potatoes into cold water and bring them to a boil. Unfortunately, this means they will lose quite a lot of important nutrients that remain in the water. Putting the potatoes into boiling water allows them to retain their nutrients and flavor. Cook for around 10 minutes. Cooking time depends on the variety and size. After around 10 minutes, check if the potatoes are soft. Stick the tip of the knife into the potatoes. If it goes through easily, the potatoes are ready. If not, cook for 5 to 10 more minutes, from time to time checking if they are soft. Don't use a fork to test them. They can break easily and you want them to remain whole. Drain the boiled potatoes through a sieve and return to the saucepan. Preparing the new potatoes: add the butter to the saucepan with the potatoes. Allow the butter to melt. Add the chopped dill and onion. Mix well. To serve: serve the new potatoes along with fried or boiled eggs and kefir. They are a perfect side dish. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!